Did you know that there are multiple pin types on Pinterest? Better yet, did you know that you need to be using all of them in your Pinterest marketing strategy? Welcome to today's video where we are going to be talking about the 5 different pin types on Pinterest and how to use them in your Pinterest marketing strategy. Hey there, if you're new to this channel, my name is Erica Muneman and I am a Pinterest marketing strategist helping business owners make Pinterest easy to understand with simple strategies that get results. All right, I want you to give me a thumbs up down below if you are shocked to know that there are 5 different pin types on Pinterest. Gone are the days of only using the one standard pin image. Now we need to be thinking about video pins, carousel pins, idea pins, and shop the look pins, all of which we're gonna cover today. So similar to other platforms like Instagram, where you're rewarded in the algorithm for using Reels right now at the time that this video was made, Pinterest is doing the same thing when it comes to their different pin types. So if you are looking to get traction and grow quickly and get more traffic to your website, varying the types of pins that you're using can be a really easy way to do that. To start, we have the standard pin image. Now, this is probably what we're all used to. It is a pin image, maybe with some text telling us what the pin is about. It's important to keep in mind with a standard pin to keep within the Pinterest best practices, and that means they should always be vertical and they should be within a 2 to 3 aspect ratio. Standard pins are easily the most used pin type. They're the OG, if you will, when it comes to pins on Pinterest. And I think it's safe to say that they're probably the most engaged with by pinners that are using the platform. You can use standard pins for just about any scenario within your Pinterest marketing strategy. That might look like blog posts or content, courses, recipes. The options really are endless. The second pin we're going to talk about is the carousel pin. So think Instagram carousel, but better. On Pinterest, in a carousel pin, you can use up to 5 images, and the best part is that you can link each separate image to a different page on your website. So let's take a quick look at how that works. So I wanted to give you a quick example and show you what this carousel pin looks like. So in this example here, you have the main image that says how to plan a brand photo shoot. And you can tell it's a carousel pin by this little white arrow that's right here. Now, if we click on that and we go to the next slide, you can see she has grouped together how to plan a brand photo shoot with a photo shoot planning template. So this is the product, this is the blog post, and this is the product that can be related to that blog post. So we're grouping similar content together into one carousel pin, and each of these pins links to a different place on her website. This one goes directly to the product, and this one goes to the blog post. There are literally hundreds of ways you can use a carousel pin depending on what kind of business you are. For instance, if you are an e-commerce product-based business, maybe you would use a carousel pin to launch your spring line. Each carousel card within that carousel pin could link to a different product within the line. Or if you are a service-based business, each carousel card could link to a different service. There are so many different ways, and I love how you can get creative with a carousel pin. The third pin we're going to talk about today is the video pin. Now, it is no lie that video is all the rage these days. I mean, look at what we're doing right now. Short form video is truly becoming how we like to consume our content. Just think of Instagram Reels or TikTok. Pinterest is no different, and that's why the video pin was created. It is a way for us to share our short content in video form to allow users to consume but also engage. Also, I like to tell my clients and other Pinterest users that when it comes to video pins and Pinterest in general, there's really no reason to recreate the reel. For instance, if you're somebody that creates a lot of Instagram Reels, or if you create videos here on YouTube, or maybe you do a lot of stories on Instagram, those are perfect for repurposing on Pinterest as long as the content is applicable to your audience and the content that you're talking about. Now, I will say this about video pins. If you think of how people consume video content on other platforms, maybe a quick watch or even just a watch and a scroll, the same tends to happen on Pinterest. I would say that generally they are great. Video pins are great at drawing engagement, but not always great at drawing the click, the outbound traffic to your website. This is, of course, maybe product or content specifically. Now, there are instances with my clients where video has done amazingly well to draw outbound traffic and clicks to their website. However, it's definitely something that you need to test and look out inside of your analytics to see how it's performing within your strategy. The fourth pin type we're going to talk about is the shop pin. Now, if you are a product seller, this is a really great option to use because when you upload an image to Pinterest, you have the option to then tag products within that image. Now, of course, you can create a standard pin and send traffic directly to your product page, but what I love about shop pins is that you can tag multiple products within any given image. So for example, if you sell women's clothing, you may have an image of a model wearing several different of your products. Now, in a shop pin, you can actually tag each one of those products that are within that image. And bonus here for all of you affiliate marketers, you can now actually tag affiliate links within shop pins. Now, not all affiliate links work. You will have to test each one of them to see if they are going to make it past the Pinterest barrier, so to speak. Be sure to test that out. But if you are an affiliate marketer, this is a great way to add affiliate income into your business. The last and final pin type we're going to talk about today, idea pins. Now, idea pins are the new kid on the block when it comes to pin types on Pinterest. And similar to other platforms where you are rewarded for using new features in the algorithm, the same thing is happening with idea pins on Pinterest. Think of idea pins in a similar fashion to Instagram stories, except the best part here, they don't disappear after 24 hours. Idea pins are designed to inspire action, which means they are going to last and stay evergreen and searchable forever. When idea pins first launched, although you were being rewarded for sharing them in the algorithm, not too many people were happy creating them because you did not have the ability to add a link to your idea pins, thus driving traffic to your website. I know, doesn't that kind of defeat the purpose? Well, good news for those of you watching this video, because in late 2022, Pinterest announced that links were in fact finally coming to idea pins. So you may not see it on your account just yet, but keep an eye out as they continue to roll it out into 2023. From working with multiple clients inside my Pinterest marketing agency, I can say that idea pins are largely driving a lot of growth and engagement on the platform. Plus, there are just so many ways to use them. And now that links are coming to idea pins, the opportunities are going to be endless. So a few ways to use idea pins to your Pinterest strategy. If you are a service-based business, your title slide may be 4 different ways to work with you, and each additional slide can go into each specific package option separately. Or if you're a product-based seller, maybe you sell gift boxes, you can do an idea pin for 5 different types of teacher gift boxes. If you're keen to learn a little bit more about idea pins and how they're working on Pinterest right now, check out this video over here. And that's it, the 5 different pin types that you should be using within your Pinterest marketing strategy. If you like today's video and you want to see more actionable ways to make Pinterest marketing easy inside your business, then I invite you to hit the subscribe button down below so you never miss out on our Pinterest party. That's it, I'll see you next time, and happy pinning.